Okay, so this is a shout out to my main man AJ. Is a great music artist. Is starting to get popular in the USA and is pretty much a real good guy. I know him on a kind of personal level, and I'd like you all to look at his YouTube, like his photos, subscribe to him, and like his page. He's one of the best music artists I've met in a long time, and is a cool guy. So I hope you all like his music. I'll stick the YouTube channel and his like page on from his Facebook like page on the description, and have a fun time listening to him. I mean, you can listen to his music at parties, whilst dancing, playing, as he says in his Truth or Dare song featuring Charlie Funk, spin the bottle while doing it. Or you can listen to it while you're sad, or it's all round music, to be honest. So, and he's a real good artist, so I'd like you really to have a good look at him and subscribe to him, like his Facebook page, leave comments on his videos, and yeah, that's pretty much about it. Bye YouTube.